Hi there, Philip Marks from University of Lackawanna. In our series on the scientific revolution, we're going to talk about Galileo Galilei, the hero of modern science. In addition to his astronomical discoveries, his use of the experiment, Galileo revolutionized the way Western culture understands nature by using logic and mathematics. In this video, we'll see different experiments, the argument between heliocentrism and geocentrism, and an amazing beard from the great philosopher.
Born in Pisa, Italy in 1564, Galileo never actually finished with a college degree. Just like Steve Jobs and Bill Gates some 400 years later, the great scientist dropped out of school. How ironic that one of the great scholars of history never completed his schooling. Stanford University calls Galileo the central figure of the scientific revolution. Through his discoveries and ideas to actually find out through experimentation, and not to simply assume, Galileo changed how science was conducted. Additionally, the astronomical discoveries of Jupiter's satellites and the observation of a supernova, detailed in his publication Sidereus Nuncius, just reinforce how influential Galileo was and still is to the world of science. Galileo's most influential development to Western culture was the understanding of the world through logic and mathematics. Before Galileo's time, people used the excuse of natural phenomenon taking place to explain the world around them. However, Galileo introduced the idea of using both mathematics and logic to explain the world around us. Galileo's most controversial moment came when he argued the idea of heliocentrism, the belief that the planets revolved around the sun, and contrary to the popular idea of the Earth as the center of the universe, an idea known as geocentrism. The Church, strong geocentric believers, as based off the Bible, condemned the great scientist for his promotion of heliocentrism. Galileo was placed on house arrest, and his clash with the Church has been called the single most famous incident of conflict between science and religious institutions. Later, in 1992, Pope John Paul II amended the Church's mistakes in persecuting Galileo Galilei. The Italian scientist and philosopher Galileo Galilei influenced Western culture with his astronomical discoveries, his ideas of understanding the world through math and logic, and confronting the Church in regards to scientific information.